Alrighty. Alrighty. Hi, everybody. This is Dr. Milks. This is the walkthrough video for whatever day this is. There we go. This is Tuesday, December 3rd. It is try to week 4. So you might remember that a while ago, we looked at some ecological disruptions. It was back in mid-October, actually. I looked at the date very recently. So remember, you learned about things like invasive species, diseases and parasites, climate change and its outcomes, deforestation, agriculture with things like pesticides, fertilizers, toxic farm chemicals, things like this, extreme weather, and then some geological occurrences. Some of these are not well suited to there we go. Some of these are not well suited to a project on ecology, but many of them are. So the question I have for you is, what are the ecological disruptions that interest you the most? Use 2 to 3 good sentences there on your bell work. Okay, cool. So today we are beginning project 2 in earnest by looking at a research document that you and yours are going to use to be able to synthesize your research on your disruption and connect it to the current units of study, right? All this information is useful for your final project, which is a call to action to understand the disruption you have selected and to mitigate it. This document is evolving, so you might find that you start it and then you're going to go back and do something else. That's totally okay. You will need to write using complete sentences to make that happen. That's going to be important here. Use the power bolded words as a guide to understand how to answer your questions. Now, for drawings, please note that you may insert a picture of your personal sketch or create a mini infographic digitally. These must be original work. You may not use an existing or an AI-generated image. So you're going to pick a disruption. You can talk to me more if you haven't done this yet. And then this is what you're going to do to kind of select it. And then you're going to take a walk through enzymes and photosynthesis. This should be enzyme and or photosynthesis. Then they're going to think about disruptions of energy flow. Then you're going to think about populations, population ecology, community ecology. We're going to work on this over several days. This is what we're doing in class this week. Remember, outside of class, you have the finishing the FRQ that we started in class on Monday and doing the multiple choice, which is now available on campus. So the rest of it is going to kind of be this stuff. Now, the cool down for today is to use 1 to 2 sentences to describe the problem and place you're selecting. If you do need to change it tomorrow, that's okay, but most groups should be most of the way there. Why is this problem a problem? Like, what is it about this thing that's problematic? It'll help you on your design journey this week. All right, that's it for me. Take care out there. See you soon.